Hey, welcome in our teaching session of 3D. My name is KBFX. Okay, today I have a brand new excitement tutorial. I will teach you how to solve height bond failure when you are doing binding your mesh to the skeleton or metal rig. Without further ado, so let's dive in. I open my height bond project file. I already prepared my file for this tutorial. Okay, I duplicate my mesh, Shift D, as you can see, this one, and I called it, the first one I call the initial, the second one I call the final. You can name whatever you want. Okay, I prepare my metal rig. This is my rig, as you can see. Okay, I can hide this final rig, this final mesh, and use the copied one. Okay, initial one. I select this my mesh and I want to bind with this metal rig. I'll shift select this and press Ctrl P. Go with automatic weights. This is a problem we want to solve it. Bond heat weighting. This is a problem when you're doing rigging and we want to solve this one. First, unparent this to our rig with Alt P, clear parents. Okay, we select our mesh, we go to the edit mode. First we select all these faces, A, select faces, and F for filling. This is the first step. The second step, we want to remesh this one to align our topology so we can see if there is error with our topology so we can solve it. So we go to the modifier, add a remesh modifier. We can leave with the voxel selected. I will select 0.003 for my mesh. Enter to remesh. It's good. And to reduce pole count here, you can see vertices. Still we have many vertices. I will add this mate. I want to dismate this one. I'll put to 0.2. It's enough for me. I'll dismate it. Wait for the dismation to be applied. Okay, for my remesh, I will select and apply. And for my dismation, I'm going to apply this one. Okay, and then I will try to bind again. I select this one, our mesh, with our metal rig, Ctrl P, with automatic weights. Let's see the results. Yes, the problem solved. Okay, you can see now when we go to the pause mode and try to select maybe this bond here, and you can see it's follow our rules. This is what we wanted. So after doing that, but let's remind you, this is a little low poly. So in order to fix this one, to have another pole, to have a high pole, that's why we highlighted it and hide this final. This is our final, is our original mesh. So we want to transfer weight from this low poly to our final poly. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna select my final. Okay, I select my final mesh. I can unhide this one. I select my final and I go to my modifier selection, select this to the object mode. We go into the modifier selection, we select our final, Where is our modifier? Here. And I will select data transfer. I want to select this. Our data transfer source will be our initial. Okay. And we select vertex data. You see, vertex group we selected. We say we generate this one. We generate this one. Okay. So the way source we have here will be transferred to this our final mesh. After that, I will select this here and apply it. And then I will add an armature. Say we select our armature. This metal rig to be our armature. Okay. So after this, we can select our final mesh. And this one, we say Ctrl P to the object. This is the way of solving this problem. You can see now when I select it, you can delete the initial, which doesn't matter. We don't need it anymore. So we can see you can select this one in a pose mode and rotate. It's like good. You can see this one. Let's see this. It's working good. You can see. It's working good. Our problem solved. This is what we are doing and what you're gonna need to do when you get this problem. You need to solve by this way. Sorry, in this way. You can see. Okay, until next time, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, the CG Block. Leave a comment, like. Ciao. Till next time.